Hi, it's Thursday. I always like to tell you the day because it's helping you, I hope, and reminding myself of what day it is because they're all blurred together these last few weeks. And I wonder if there's even a point in having a calendar because there's really nothing to put on it and it doesn't really matter what date it is. But anyways, that's why I do that. As you can see behind me and here, it's raining. Raining, raining, raining all day, every second of the day. And yesterday, same thing. Raining, raining, raining. It looked a little clear yesterday, and I thought, oh, yay! I can take Donnie out for a walk. How wonderful. And I went outside, drip, drip, drip on my head. And I think my neighbors could probably hear me yell, "Man, you gotta be kidding me." Actually, what I think I said was more like, "Come on!" But anyway, that's just because I'm tired of all this. I mean, I can take the quarantine, that's fine, as long as I can go for a walk. I can take the brain, that's fine, because normally I just, drive over to the mall, walk in the mall. I maybe would find a basketball court at the local college and take Donnie there so he could practice walking. But we can't do either right now, and our house is getting very small. But that's okay. We're dealing with it as best as we can, just like everyone else is, and just knowing, believing, hoping, looking forward to the freedom at the end of the quarantine and the May flowers that will result from these unrelenting April showers. So that's just the update for today, Thursday, and I'll see you next time.